Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a Google spreadsheet on your phone. So there will be two ways. If you already have the application, you can just go open the application of the Google Sheet itself. But then if you want to directly create from your account on your business or work account, you just need to go into the drive. In this Google Drive, make sure that you already logged in with the account that you use for saving the documents. And after you already success with login with the account, you just need to go click this plus button. In this plus button, there will be like several application or several options that you can choose to create something. There will be a Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Since you want to make a spreadsheet, just go click a Google Sheets. And this Google Drive will be directly generate you into the spreadsheet itself. And after that, you just need to fill the titles of the documents. For example, you do it a task 4, and after you're done with the titles, just go click create. And now you already have the documents and you already work on it. So that's the way how to create the documents. So I will really appreciate if you want to like this video and leave some comments. So thank you for watching.